controversy surrounding the Tirumala Laddu. Ex-TDT official, chief rather, has moved top court seeking an investigation, calling for constitution of an independent committee headed by a retired top court judge to investigate the allegations of substandard ingredients and animal fat in the ghee to make Laddu Prasad at the Tirumala temple. So it's ex-TDT chief who has reached top court seeking an investigation headed by an independent committee headed by a retired apex court judge. So this is with reference to the controversy surrounding the prasad that is served to devotees at the Tirumala temple, a charge that was made by Chandrababu Naidu, the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, who alleged that the prasad that is served to the devotees has been adulterated. Let's go across to Aneri, who's getting us this news break. Aneri, the ex-TDT chief having moved the top court, of course, but once again, if you can give us details of the TDT report findings in which they've said that there were not proper checks that were done in terms of the ghee that was used to make the prasad for the temple.
Well, that's right, Samiksha. What we have been seeing is that the report which we have accessed, which was submitted to the Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu by the TDT officials, which shows that there was the adulteration test for the ghee wasn't taken up ever, and also the 14 times rejection which had taken place was also not on the parameters of adulteration. Whereas we have been seeing that now YV Subba Reddy, the TTD ex-chairman, is going to file a PIL. Is going to file a PIL in the Supreme Court over this issue, and also at the same time, what we have been seeing is that massive controversy over the TTD Laddu. Over the TTD Laddu, on one side we see that there will be an SIT which will be formed to investigate into this matter, and also other side we see that the YSRCP denying these allegations and calling it a vendetta politics by Chandrababu Naidu.
Aneri, requesting you to stay with us. In fact, once again, if you can put this all in context, the allegation that was initially made by Chandrababu, which was corroborated in that lab report, Gujarat-based lab report, and now that TDP report, which seems to be the final nail in the coffin.
Well, see, the report which has been submitted by the TTD officials mentions about the findings of how there has been fish oil and beef being found, and also over the measures that have been taken by TTD board after we see that Chandrababu Naidu government has come into power, like changing of the companies. Like now, Nandini Ghee is being given the contract. Companies also have been, and also the tests which have been taking place, and also at the same time the NDDB report shows the findings of fish oil and beef tallows, which is said to be found in the NDDB report. So we'll have to wait and watch what's next, as the SIT team will be formed to further investigate into this matter.
All right, Aneri, just a quick follow-up question. Chandrababu Naidu has even formed an SIT which will have IG rank officers. Once again, if you can take us through the details known so far, who will be the members of this SIT panel that will be probing the charge that's been levelled?
Well, Samiksha, what we see is that the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister has announced that there will be an SIT which will be formed, and this will be investigated by the IT level officer, is what we are being told, and also at the same by the IG level officer and other officials of the TTD, and also at the same time some of the former members of the TTD board also will be there. Well, the committee has not yet been decided over this, but yes, an IG level officer will be heading this investigation.
All right, Aneri, thank you for the moment. In fact, let's once again tell you about this big news break coming in this hour. It's ex-TDT chief who's moved the top court seeking an inquiry headed by retired SC judge. In fact, we even spoke to one of the priests at Tirumala temple on the substandard ingredients that were used in making the prasad for the devotees.
The Tirumala Laddu controversy, where we see now that the TTD board had decided that they will be holding a Mahashanti Homam here, and joining us right now is a priest from Tirumala temple. Swamiji, what is the process which you have done today? A Mahashanti Homam was held today at the Tirumala temple.
Om Namo Venkatesaya. Past 4-5 days, there is a news spreading all over the world that the laddus of Lord Balaji was prepared by ghee which is containing some animal fat. So finally it was proved. So then government decided if there is any possibility to purify all over the places of inside and around the temple. So then we came to a conclusion that there is a homam in our Vaikana Sagam called Shanti Homam. By performing of that Shanti Homam, yes, everything can be purified. So in that process today morning around 6 a.m. we have taken the permission from Lord Venkateswara to bless us and to give the enough energy to perform these kind of homams. So with Punya Vachanam, we have started with Punya Vachanam, Raksha Bandhanam, and then Vastu Homam. In between that, we came out with Vastu fire stick along with Panchagavyas, means the 5 items which comes from cow. So using all those things, we went a round around the inside where the prasadams are being prepared inside the temple. We have used that fire stick, the Vastu fire stick, and the Panchagavyas we have sprinkling all over the places.
Laddu area.
Where the laddus are prepared and where the Anna Prasadams used to prepare. So we made that everything, that everything is purified now. After that we came out of the temple, and in this way only we went, and there is some other places where we used to prepare the bundi, and there also we went and sprinkle the water, and we want to make sure each and every corner where the prasadams are being prepared, we want to make every corner, we want to make it perfect, and we want to show that everything has been, even if there is anything, a small particle, if it is there also, we don't want to take any chance. So that's why each and every corner we went and we made it perfectly purified.
So now is everything cleansed, because there is a lot of shock to the people, to the devotees who have come, who have taken the prasadam with them, the laddu prasadam. How do you assure that now everything is cleansed?
So from now onwards, need not to worry. Actually last month itself we have performed the annual Pavitrosams to Lord. The reason behind the Pavitrosams is if there is any mistake knowingly or unknowingly by the priest or by the devotees who comes here or by the staff who are working around the temple. So to excuse from all those things, we do this kind of Pavitrosams every year. So already the maximum things are already covered, but yes, there are still some doubts in people's mind. So we don't, if there is any such a news, we don't want to take any more chances. That's why again we decided to go with this kind of Shanti Homam. So one correction, this is not Mahashanti Homam, this is Shanti Homam.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So that was Swamiji here with us from Tirumala, who says that Shanti Homam was held at the Tirumala temple, and the holy water was sprinkled all across the Tirumala premises and the place where the laddu and the prasadam, Anna Prasadam, is being prepared. So now the Swami says that the people do not need to worry, as everything has been cleansed and a Shanti Homam has been held here at Tirumala. This is Anirisha with Video Journalist for Republic TV.
Let's now switch focus to news that we are tracking